I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Omron Compressor Nebulizer. This is one of the best nebulizers I've ever used because I think it just provides me with so much respiratory support. So what immediately caught my eye is that compact size that it comes in. This nebulizer is designed to be portable and easy to store. It makes it convenient for me to take respiratory treatments wherever I'm at, whether I'm traveling or I'm at home. And I really appreciate how the Omron nebulizer is really user-friendly. It just has this simple one-button operation to just turn on, and you just put your medicine inside and it starts. So it's suitable for both adults and children, which makes it a versatile choice for the whole family. And the nebulizer is very efficient in converting the liquid medication into this fine mist that ensures that I'm receiving the treatment that I need. And that's my point of view.